Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video. Okay, so today I have a Kadence ukulele. This is the ash top with a walnut back. That's a little close-up of the ash top. We've got a nice little decal here around the sound hole. My only complaint about the ash top is there's some places where it was right around here that was like over sanded. So I went in with a Sharpie and some pencils and some other things and tried to fix it up so it didn't look so bad, but other than that, basic bridge here, and the strings are tied on. Here's the finish on the end. The joint might have been a little nicer if it was matched a little nicer, but this black trim helps set off the top and the body, which is nice. Fairly basic. You've got your markers here. Unfortunately, there are no markers on the side. I will probably take some gold paint and put those in myself. Basic standard tuners. The headstock is pretty plain. This here is their logo. It's almost like vinyl stickers that are on there. I think that could have been done a little bit better. Fairly basic. You see, still have the plastic on the tuner there that I haven't taken off yet. I do wish it doesn't show up so bad on this one. It doesn't specify what the neck is. It's but it's basically a mahogany color. So contrast between that and the walnut is not too much, which is nice. You'll see on another one that it is, but there are little finish issues, like I can see a little nail head in there. It's tiny. It's not perfect, but for the price, it's pretty good. So let's get to the sound of it. I didn't show you. This is the electrified piece, and this takes a 9-volt battery, which is it's a pretty big battery for that, but that's what goes in there. And of course it plugs in here. So let's give it a play. And let's try the sustain. That sounds pretty good to me. Let's do a little bit more strumming here for you. doesn't cost very much, and this is, by the way, is a concert size. That's my favorite size, and I'm not a very tall person, and I say I have about average women's hands, but you know, it's relatively nice. The finish isn't bad for the price. You know, there are a couple of things that could be a little better, you know, and see that, you know, it's not going to be as durable because, you know, right around the edges there are some little places, but, you know, you're going for looks, you're going for sound, you know, again, for the price, this really can't be beat.